Hi, and thanks for taking the Rad Random class. I, as I was going through and looking at the files, I just noted some feedback I wanted to give, and I thought I would do a quick video and let everybody in on it. So I pulled some pages from 6 different people, and then I'll just go through a quick tip. So on this one, there's a picture in the background. Obviously, the text is really difficult to see. This is a really good idea. If you click on the picture and then go to the formatting tab, you can change the transparency. So if you change it just to be real light, it's a nice effect to have the picture in the background. I'm going to click on it and then lock it also. And lock in place. Okay. This one, there's a link to it talks about a great video. And one nice feature is just to put the link right on the page. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and this was the video about prefixes. And you can just come right up and copy the URL. So I'm going to just Control C and then go back to your notebook file. And let's put a quick picture in. Music. For some reason my search isn't working. So I'm just going to type video. And then on a picture or any object, if you click on it and go to the drop-down menu, there is link. And you can just paste the URL right into the link. And I like leaving it on the corner icon and then hit insert link. So now all you have to do is click on this link while you're in your notebook lesson, and it will take you right to your YouTube video. Okay, that is tip number 2. Tip number 3, this was a great slide using images, and when you find an image, and I went in and searched the Earth, I'm going to pull that in, just drop it into the slide. If you have images that have a white background, it's really easy to take that out. I love this feature. You just, again, go to the drop down, and there's picture transparency. If you click on that, you can decide what you would like to be transparent. So I'm going to click on the white background, set transparency, and it didn't work perfect, but it is nice to take out that white background of images. Okay, I'm going to delete that one. So that was the third one. This one has a pull tab from the gallery. If you search pull tabs, you'll see this one. And what this pull tab does, it has a push pin. So actually, to enter what you want on the tab, you just click on these arrows, and you can change the text. But what I wanted to show you is when you get it where you want it, push down that push pin. Now, when you're in class, you pull out the pull tab, and when you want to put it back, you just click on the arrow, and it flies right back into its spot. Okay, that's pull tabs. This next slide has all the letters and then uses a table. There is a nice feature. You can click again on a letter and go to the drop down and create an infinite cloner. So I can do one at a time. Now I can pull off an infinite number of P's. Okay, I'm going to delete those. You can also highlight, if you marquee select, you could highlight all of them and turn them all into infinite cloners at once. Okay. The way to undo an infinite cloner, you have to do this individually one at a time, is click on it and then just click on infinite cloner and it goes back to the object. Now, tables being a bit tricky, now you can pull these down. If you put another letter into a box, it replaces it. So what I would also do is create a white box. So I'm going to go up here, create a shape, choose a square, and I'm going to change the fill and the line color to white, and then just draw it. The problem is I can't tell because of the background. So let's put a background on. Okay, so I'm going to go up and choose the shape, choose a square, change the fill color and the line color. You can do this before and then it's easier. You can always do it after also. And I draw the white square. I'm going to change that to an infinite cloner. And now when you want to clear the table, you just drop this in and it clears it. And then you can use it over and over again. Okay, so that was a quick tip on infinite cloner and using tables. The last one is a great slide that you could use over and over with your students in centers. And if you have a slide like this and you want to use it multiple times, each slide has a drop down. So I can click over here and clone it. And then I will have two of these. So you could put different groups on a different slide. I think that's it. So I hope that was helpful. And please email with any questions. Thanks a lot.